guys, welcome back to another video. And I received this slime package with good hair stuff in there. So let's get started. Here is the stuff in there. And first thing I pull out is this. Oh my gosh. It fell in this note, and it says, "Hope your slimes are great. Have fun playing with them. I picked them out just for you." And her Instagram is, it looks like it's scribbled out up there, unicorn_slimes. So I will see if you could go follow her. Now, I'm going to do a random pick. I didn't look in the box yet. I will show you down here. First one, a green-blue slime. Let's start. Let's see if this is good. And see if you could follow her on Instagram. And go check out her slime Etsy store. I'm going to see if it's all true that her slimes are amazing. So this slime's a little bit sticky, but still good. I'm going to show you guys I'm not looking. Okay. This is like a jiggly, really jiggly slime. I'm gonna take it from down here. And I can't look into the box because I can't see anything. Because I'm so small. So this jiggle monster, let's see if it does not stretch. It's like the Nickelodeon goo. This is what I was asking for. And there are no receipts. Oh yeah, on here she also said no refunds. Look at that. Look at it. No refunds. So I'm like, okay, let's see how good your slimes are if you have no refunds. And I was supposed that she would have good slimes. So I got this. I didn't ask for, I asked for Nickelodeon slime, but I didn't ask for green Nickelodeon slime. I asked for blue. And this is what she gives me. Like, look at this stuff. It doesn't even stretch or anything. It's not slime. It's just like a goo. And I asked for Nickelodeon slime. That's that noise though. So that's disappointing. Let's get on with the next one. And I don't know how much this is. She never gave me a receipt, so I didn't have to pay. So if the slimes are good, I'm keeping them. So she didn't give me a receipt, but I probably paid like $20 for all this. This was like two. So let's do a random pick again. The slime opened by itself. Hopefully this is a good one. Okay, it's not as watery as I would think it would be, since this slime package didn't come till 2 or 3 months later. And I live in the UK. She lives in the US. She could have came earlier. it's still stretchy, I guess. You should have came earlier. This is probably like $3 or $4. Really green slime. That was hard to open. This slime reminds me of like when you put like flour, flour, cornstarch, and like laundry detergent or something. Wait, yeah. It smells like laundry detergent. And it feels like that. Okay, this is really stretchy, and I haven't had slime in a while. So this is like my new slime for like how long I get another package, like 5 weeks or something, like more than a month. Because my mom makes me get my own money for this stuff. And it was like, I don't know, I think it was like $50 for all this. That's a lot. I know someone paid like $100 and some dollars for this. Let's put that away. Okay. Let's random pick again. Big slime. Sticky fingers. Slime should have been activated. Come on. Slime should have been activated more, because it feels like I'm just like touching glue. When it's so sticky. I'm touching glue again. When it's sticky, it feels like glue. I know it's from glue, I think. Oh, she said this is gummy, like purple or like red and blue gummy bear slime. So she used starch and like gummy bears and stuff like that. And I guess that's why it's sticky. I should get starch and like activate it. But yeah. Okay guys. This slime, sticky. Let's get over this one. There's 1, 2 left. The box of mania. Small slime. I'm gonna call it lemon slime. Lemon slime. Lemon slime. Come on, get out of the thing. You're just. This is putty. It feels like putty. Like those cheap putties. Cheap putties. Like, look at that. A cheap putty. It came in a little cheap container. This container is glitter putty and mastic. She liked me. This is supposed to be a slime. I told her to make lemon slime. I'm going to put some lotion in this and see if it will help. I put some, a little bit of lotion in it. Let's see how this will go. Still putty. I'm not playing with this anymore. One slime left. I don't know what's the name of it. Sea green slime. Pretty good slime. I didn't like this slime. I don't think you should go get her slimes. She doesn't give you a receipt, no refund. So, yeah, it's kind of a rip-off. But I'm going to tell her that we should get refunds if they're not good. People do that and then they're able to get refunds. I have one more slime that she gave me that is humongous. So it's right on my box right here. A big cotton candy container. Let's see how. Look at all that jumbo-ness. Oh my god, this is just holding it normally. So big. Just let it fall down. Oh my gosh, ow, ow, ow. Why is this so big and heavy? I said for a small. This was $2. No, actually, this was $20. I said a small, $2. This is an extra large, $20. Is that why my prices were so big? I'm gonna put this back. I'm disappointed. This isn't even the color that I wanted. I wanted blue. So I can put them in smaller containers. But this is horrible. I barely can even get on the cap. I also have like an iceberg slime that's getting there. So see you guys next time. And guys, this was a spoof. It isn't real. So don't go hating on me. They're all fake. Everything was fake. I was gonna put in this little tester slime. It's like a little gray slime. I was just lying about the slimes being bad and like stuff like that. So, yeah. Sorry guys if you actually believed me. And those are actually pretty good slimes. I wasn't really mad about them. They were really good slimes. So, yeah. So, those were all my slimes. How'd you like the video? See you guys next time. Bye.